My name is Lev Katz, and I head up the Targeted Therapeutics Laboratory here at the Peter Mac. The overall aim of our research is to develop new therapeutic strategies for aggressive blood cancers. Our projects span the full breadth of the biomedical research spectrum. We have projects focused on fundamental biology, really trying to understand how specific driver mutations or dysregulated epigenetic programs alter the properties of hematopoietic cells and result in the development of cancer. We also have projects that are much more at the translational end, working with novel compounds, trying to understand their true mechanism of action, identify potential mechanisms of resistance, and really work out how these therapies can be deployed effectively in the clinic. We have well-established links with industry partners, and that provides us access to new drugs that are in advanced stages of preclinical development. One of the features of the lab is that we're early adopters of technology. We're constantly updating our toolkit and trying to bring the full force of technological innovation to solve biological problems. We use a range of methodologies ranging from custom mouse models to functional genomics using CRISPR-Cas9 to advanced molecular genomics using tools such as bulk and single-cell RNA sequencing. There are currently 7 of us in the lab: an honours student, a PhD student, a research assistant, 3 postdocs, and myself. And we are looking to recruit new members, particularly at the PhD level, but also keen to hear from potential honours and master's students that are enthusiastic about science. In terms of what you could work on in my lab, my approach is really to craft a project together with you within one of our existing themes. The specifics really depend on your research interests and the skills that you want to learn, as well as what is happening in the lab at the time that you start. With respect to supervision, as a junior lab head, I'm still very heavily involved in the hands-on work in the lab. So my pitch to you is that if you come to my lab, you will get a large proportion of my time. Of course, you will also have a co-supervisor, and that may either be someone from the lab or maybe one of our collaborators here at the Peter Mac or elsewhere. Outside of the lab, one of the things that I really enjoy is sport, both playing and watching. So if you're keen to join the Peter Mac soccer or footy teams, or you want to chat about the AFL or the NBA, I'm very open to those discussions. If you want to know more about the lab, join me for a Zoom chat at the open day, reach out by email, or find me on Twitter. Thanks.